What's good, YouTube? Ninja Nachi. On my ride to Long Island, just before we got to the 20th century cycle, my left-hand blinker stopped working. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all that follow me or good friends with me already know this or were there. Unfortunately, I had to take the fairings off and all that stuff. I diaged it, and unfortunately, I found out that there was open in the wire. Question is, where was the open? I checked the lights, I checked the circuit, and it came down to one green wire just before a connector. I tested this out without even ripping the bike apart. Today I finally got a free day, kinda sorta. So today's plan is to fix this wire, find the wire, fix it, and detail the bike a little bit, because she is a mess. Haven't been able to do shit with it. The carburetor started acting up once. It kind of like sputtered on me from first to second gear, and then as soon as I cracked open the throttle, it cleared right up. Then I just I beat on it like up and down the street. It kind of felt like one of the needles got clogged or something, maybe one of the jets, but whatever the case may be, it hasn't done it. So I diaged this for an open, and here's my open. That's my open circuit right there. That's why my light doesn't work. So I'm gonna connect this and test the light out again. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see this. Oops. It's kind of hard to place a camera. See there. All right. Personally, I'm a soldering type of person, but right now I am outside and I'm pretty good with the butt connectors. So if you're gonna do this right. Like I said, I work on cars day in and day out, so diaging bike was a lot easier. Where the hell are my pimpers? It would have cost me an arm and a leg if I took it to a shop. But if you have the skills to do this stuff, just dig in. I am not too familiar with motorcycles at all. I'm actually learning from J Dollar, but he said if he knows how to work on a bike, I can work on a bike. Do a little tug. Let's test it out real quick. Key on. Oh, stupid me, I forgot to plug it in. Doy. Plug these in. But yeah, I looked at the schematic on this bike, and I got lucky and I found it. Hey! We have a blinker! Yeah, motherfucker! The reason why it's flashing fast is because I took the rear bulb out, but that's it. Now what I do is I apply heat to the butt connector and heat shrink it. While I'm at it, I'm gonna make sure like all the necessary nuts and bolts are tight. Throttle body looks clean. Nothing bad in there. I hope I last this season with these. I'm not sure if they did that for longevity or what, but over the winter I'm gonna get the tires. I'm gonna get spark plugs, wires, you know, just everything it needs. So now that I did that repair, I'm gonna put it all back together and clean this bad boy out. I got the chain all lubed up, you know, trying to get all that dirt out, all that New York dirt, and that's it. I gotta put it back together.